Hi there, my name is Ashley Hubbard, dating coach for men, and in today's video I will teach you how to keep a conversation going with a girl you like. So if you want to learn how to have better conversations with girls you like, please make sure you stay tuned, watch this video fully from beginning to end, because I promise to help you improve your conversation skills with women. And to achieve this goal, I will give you conversation tips and advice that I have to help you in this video. Before I get started, a very warm welcome to this How to Keep a Conversation Going with a Girl You Like video presentation. My name is Ashley Hubbard. That is me there in the centre of the screen. I've been helping men improve their dating success with women for a number of years now, and I do that by always giving you valuable tips and advice that you can't find anywhere else. On that basis, please make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below the video, and then you're not going to miss out on any of the tutorial videos that I upload. Please also make sure you give the video a like, because that tells me you enjoy the content, and I will therefore spend more time creating it for you. Let's now get into the tutorial. If you are waiting to talk to a girl you like until you're ready or until the perfect time comes, you may be waiting for a long time. If you like her, I recommend you begin talking to her now. You can prepare what you will say first, such as an introduction or hello. I recommend that you ask her questions and put your attention onto her. Make eye contact and show that you're friendly and approachable. I recommend that you be polite and smile, and you're sure to make a good first impression. Step number 1. Prepare some conversation topics. I highly recommend that you have some ideas in mind to build your conversation upon. You may want to stay upon local news, music, radio, or movies. You can talk about television shows, sports, or favourite foods. If you have a few things ready to talk about or questions you'd like to ask her, this will help you to keep the conversation going. That way you can be ready to pick up any lulls in the conversation or move on to a new topic when you need to. You can build upon what you know about her when you ask her a few questions. For example, if you know that she has a pet, you can ask her about it. If you attend a club together, you can ask her why she joined it and what she likes about it. Step number 2. Choose a good time to talk to her. I highly recommend that you choose a suitable time and a place when you will talk to the girl. You may want to go up to her after class or after school. Maybe you want to approach her during lunchtime. If you see each other outside of school, you can talk to her then. My advice to you is to make sure that she looks relaxed and not in a hurry. Also, make sure you feel confident and have time for a conversation. If you know she's rushing off to something, I recommend you choose a different time to talk to her. You need to make sure she has some time for a brief conversation. Step number 3. Relax and make sure you feel good. If you're feeling nervous or anxious, I recommend you spend a little time relaxing. Notice how you feel. Do you have a knot in your stomach? Is your throat tense? Are you shaky? My advice to you is to focus on relaxing any tension in your body. I recommend you go for a walk or do some exercise to help you feel better. Find healthy things that help you feel relaxed and not stressed. I strongly recommend you try doing calm breathing to help ease your tension or anxiety. Breathe in through your nose for about 4 seconds, then hold your breath for 1 to 2 seconds. Exhale slowly out of your mouth for 4 seconds. My advice to you is to do about 6 to 8 cycles of calm breathing, and you'll likely feel less nervous. Now please don't go anywhere, because I still have some more key tips to give you. But if you want a coaching program to help you improve your conversation skills with women, I recommend that you have a look at the 10 Hook Lead System program. This program has been designed by Kezia Noble, the world's leading female dating and attraction coach for men. Just click the link below the video and it will take you through to the website for the 10 Hook Lead System program. You can find the website link at the bottom of your screen now. I will now give you some more tips and advice that I have to help you. Step number 4. Open the conversation and introduce yourself. If you've never talked to this girl before, my advice to you is to introduce yourself. When introducing yourself, say your name and then ask for her name. I recommend that you make eye contact and if possible, talk with her facing you. If you want to be polite, you can shake her hand. You can say something simple like, "Hi, I'm Devlin. We both have math together. What's your name?" Once she tells you her name, say her name back to her by saying, "It's nice to meet you, Claire." Step number 5. Have an opening line. You don't need to overly plan what you'll first say to the girl, but I recommend you be somewhat prepared. This can be as simple as asking, "How are you?" or "How is your day going?" Keep the conversation going after this. If you have something in common, you can say it now. This might include going to the same synagogue, volunteering at the same organisation, or both like rollerblading. If you have a class together, you can say, "Can I walk with you to your class?" Perhaps you like the same sports teams, so you can ask, "Did you see the game last night?" Make your first line friendly and approachable so that she can respond back to you. I recommend you stay away from using a cheesy pickup line or icebreaker to start the conversation. My advice is to just talk about things that are happening around you that you can both relate to in some way. Keep the conversation light and casual. Step number 6. Be confident and show it. Starting any new relationship or wanting to start a new relationship can be a very intimidating experience for many people. I want you to realise that the girl you wish to have a conversation with may be just as nervous as you. Your best bet is to approach any new conversation with the girl with confidence. I strongly recommend you avoid seeking her approval, as it sends her the signal that you are not confident with your own decisions or opinions in life. My advice to you is to approach a conversational topic with a light-hearted playfulness. Keep her guessing just enough to want to know more. I recommend that you be respectful and kind in any approach to conversations you have with her. If she says something that made you feel self-conscious of yourself, don't overreact. Move on to a different topic with added wit and humour. Step number 7. Keep the conversation light-hearted and fun. Especially when you are starting or initiating any conversation with a girl, I strongly recommend you avoid heavy-loaded and negative statements or comments. I want you to avoid tense topics such as politics or religion. Once you've been able to further establish a relationship with this girl, and after many more future conversations, should one approach such heavy-handed topics. And even then, it should be approached with caution and with much respect for another person's opinions. My advice to you is to keep all conversations light, easy-flowing, and fun. Take this opportunity to ask the girl questions about herself, expressing your interest in her likes, dislikes, and hobbies. If the girl starts to speak about negative topics, just gently redirect the conversation in another direction. So now, I would like to ask you a question. Is there a specific video that you want me to create for you? You can tell me right away. Please just leave a comment below the video. So, if you want a coaching program to help you improve your conversation skills with women, I recommend that you have a look at the 10-Hook Lead System program. This program has been designed by Kezia Noble, the world's leading female dating and attraction coach for men. Just click the link below the video and you'll be taken to the website for the 10-Hook Lead System program. The website link is at the bottom of your screen now. I want to recommend this program to you because it has helped hundreds of men improve their conversation skills with women. And I would like you to follow this program so that you can improve your conversation skills with women. So I highly recommend you take the time to check it out. Click the link in the description box below this video for more information about this program. Thank you very much for watching and I really hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to subscribe. You can subscribe right now by clicking the big red button below this video. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Please connect with me on Facebook. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Please do give the video a like because if I see people liking the videos, I will create more for you. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel, and I wish you all the best for your dating success with women. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.